All right, guys, it is that time that we have all been waiting for. The brakes are starting to squeak, so we're going to replace those. And this will close up that review of those brakes. I am at 108,924 miles. So I'll check my logbook and we'll see how long those brakes lasted, mileage wise and time wise. All right, stay tuned. Peace. Check it out, guys. So here's the rotor. So I really dug into this guy. You see there the brake pad. It's like nothing there. All right, so one of the things that they spoke about these brakes is low dust. So here you can see the rim. There is a ton of dust on that rim from these brake pads. Let me show you the rear so you can see what I'm talking about. So the rear, hardly anything, because the rear really doesn't use much of the stopping power, but there is a little groove in there. So I'm sure I'll have to do the rear brakes at some point. But right now we're just doing the front. And I just wanted to show you guys. I mean, it's not bad, but it's definitely used up a lot of the and you know, like I said, I dug this into the ground, so you know, I probably should have done the brakes earlier. But let's take those pads off and I'll show you what we're working with. Hey guys, one thing I recommend: brake and parts cleaner, is you definitely do not want to breathe in all this stuff. And you should probably wear a mask as well. But there's a lot of brake dust in there, and you do not want to be smelling that, all right? And we'll just protect the driveway with the towel. Go. So what I like to do, guys, so that thing's not hanging on the brake line, is I just use a long zip tie. Grab it right here and zip it to the spring right here. That way, there's no stress on the brake line. All right, now let's look at these pads. Here's the dust shield. I really hurt these things. Here's the rear pad. I don't know if you can see that. And here's the front pad. And there is absolutely nothing on the front pad. All right, let me bring a close up here. All right, guys, so this is the front pad. The front pad of, yeah, there's nothing on there. And this here is the rear. This is the rear. So, I mean, you see how it started scraping. All right, so there you have it. So I'll do the calculations. I'll see how much, how many miles we got on these pads, all right? And then I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, so I installed the brakes at 59,707 miles on October 28th, 2019. Excuse me, I replaced them at 108,924 miles on December 2nd, 2022. So that gave us 3 years and 2 months, and it gave us 49,217 miles. And keep in mind, guys, that I commute 1 hour each way every day, 5 days a week, 52 weeks a year. So that's not bad. These brakes lasted a nice, decent time.